Okay, so I started the TikTok shop thing, right? And I really love it. So I'm a digital marketer and I've done digital marketing for about 2 years, but this TikTok shop thing, I freaking love doing this. So I just got this in the mail. I just ran out to my mailbox. It's absolutely freezing. So let me see. It's the Duck Plump. It's the NYX Duck Plump. So I guess it's supposed to plump your lips. So I'm a redhead. I'm pale, and my lips always blend in with my face, and I really, really hate that. When I was in my 20s and when I was really concerned, I used to never leave my house without lipstick. But now that I'm older, I don't care so much. So, and of course, where I work, I'm in a hat all day and glasses and a mask. And I'm like, nobody sees me. I don't even hardly put makeup on when I go to work. So let's see. This is supposed to make your lips plump. It doesn't smell like anything. I don't smell anything. So let's see. So I'm going to put it on and then I'll come back and see what happens. So let's see. Let's put these on. I'm going to do it through this. And let's see. I can't really see you. Put it on. Rub my lips together. So I don't know. It gives me a little lip color, right? What? I don't know how to put on, how much to put on. My lips could go this big, but we'll see. I should have probably just put it on one side, but let's see. I'm going to put that on. It's a little tingly. I'm going to time it. I'm going to come back in 1 minute and then we'll compare. I really like this color for my skin tone. And my lips look fuller. There's not a whole lot of tingly going on, but you can actually see my lips. And I really, really like that because that's really important, especially on the weekends when I go out. Not so much important when I go to work because you can't see it because I got a mask on, but that is so pretty. I absolutely love it. And I believe it comes in a whole bunch of different colors. So make sure you click on that link and you grab yours. It only took I think it was 3 days. I got it in 3 days. That's unbelievable. Love this, guys. You should try it. There's so many different colors. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's a nice little color for my face. I really like it because I'm all into natural tones, just a little highlight, especially at my age. Okay, so this is 5 minutes later. I forgot to tell you the color. I'm sitting on my couch, sorry. So the color is Banging Bear, but guys, my lips started to tingle, and look how full my upper lip is now. It wasn't like this when I started. Look at that. Doesn't that look hot? So cool. I've always struggled with the size of my lips and the color because it blends into my face, but this is really cool. Bangin' Bear. And I think I called it NYC earlier, but it's actually NYX. Guys, this is amazing. Look, isn't it? Look at that. I have lips. That's crazy.